with one simple thing, and this is a very simple one. Add a marker of time. Adding a date, adding a time, adding a season, and it doesn't have to be a particularly big noticeable thing. So I have my date here of when I did my 25K, which was celebration, which was May 26th. So my date is really already there. But if I wanted to actually document it with a date stamp, all I would have to do is take my date stamp that I have here, and let's just say we wanted to put it right here. May 26, 2026, right? And then I started making this journal. And a lot of the places that I did, I pulled in the date and time I received, like the special email. Or I cut it out and it's right here on the printout. Or I put it right, you know, just on the page. So it's really that simple. And then you'll be glad that you did. I mean, you'll come back to it later and you'll go, when did I do that? What was I doing? And you'll look at it and you'll go, oh yeah. You could even add date and times to your tags or your journal pages just by handwriting it, 6/9/26. And that's really all today's one simple thing is. It's that easy and simple to do. So I hope that you will think about that when you're wanting to add something to signify a marker of time. And have a good day. Thanks for watching.